How to choose the right roofing contractor. There's so many roofing contractors nowadays, and it can be hard to decide which one to choose. So here's the steps I would take to choose a contractor regardless of what market I'm in. By the end of this video, it should help you decide what kind of contractor you want to hire and how can avoid red flags that can cause long-term pain. The number one thing I always look for before choosing a contractor are they licensed and insured? It's very easy to check if they're licensed. If you're in California, go to the CSLB, Contractor State Licensing Board, and just check if they have a license number. A very easy thing to do that can avoid long-term headaches. Second thing is insurance. Do they have insurance? And if they do, what type of insurance do they have? Do they have the minimum coverage, or are they more protected as a company? Because here's the thing, if they don't have an insurance, God forbid something goes wrong, someone gets hurt on your job, and they don't have insurance, guess what? They can come after you, the homeowner. You can lose your house because they did not have insurance. This is such an important step when choosing a contractor to protect you as the homeowner. This can completely screw you if they do not. Next thing I want to look at is I want to go to Google, I want to go to Yelp, I want to go to Guild Quality, all these online review spots to see what other people are saying about them. How many reviews do they have? Do they have higher than a 4-star rating? How many 1-star reviews do they have? How did they resolve those problems when they did come up? Because problems come up in construction. It can be messy, but were they resolved okay when something did go wrong? The next thing I'm going to look at is I'm going to ask for referrals from local realtors, property managers, people that deal with roofers a good amount. So you're not just guessing and hoping and praying that you have a good contractor. And the last and final thing I want to look at is what kind of awards do they have? What kind of certifications do they have? And what kind of warranties do they have? You can have a similar roof installed, but a manufacturer has certified one company and not the other one, and it can be a same roof, but you have a 20-year warranty on one roof and you have a 50-year on the other, even though it's the same roof. So, and one final thing I want to check is how long they've been in business. If they've only been in business for a few years, it's up to you if you want to take that risk or not. But over 80% of roofing contractors go out of business within 5 years. So if there is an issue on anything on your roof after 5 years, if they're out of business, you're SOL. There's nothing you can do to go after them because they no longer exist as a business. So those are the most important things when hiring a contractor, and the things that can protect you from long-term pain, long-term damage, from ending up in a mess that you don't want to be in. And the BBB came out with a report saying that roofing contractors are the most complained about industry of any other contractor. So hopefully that's going to protect you. It's going to help you make a good decision before you hire a contractor. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Hopefully this was valuable to you. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I will see you next time.